10 apps for video editing. 1. Adobe Premiere Pro. An industry-standard program for professional video editing. It stands out with its extensive feature set and integration capabilities. 2. Final Cut Pro X. A powerful option for Mac users. It is known for its fast processing power and user-friendly interface. 3. DaVinci Resolve. A video editing program that even its free version is quite comprehensive. It excels in color correction and editing features. 4. iMovie. A user-friendly option available on Mac and iOS devices. It stands out with its simple interface and basic editing features. 5. Filmora. A popular application for both simple and professional video editing. It attracts users with its easy-to-use interface and various effects. 6. Adobe Premiere Rush. A simple and user-friendly option for mobile devices. It provides quick and easy video editing capabilities. 7. KineMaster. A popular video editing app for Android and iOS. It stands out with its user-friendly interface and various effects. 8. Sony Vegas Pro. Another option for professional-level video editing. It offers powerful editing features and effects. 9. HitFilm Express. A free video editing and effects software. It attracts users with both basic and advanced editing features. 10. Lightworks. Another video editing program with both free and professional versions. It stands out with its user-friendly interface and fast processing capabilities.